Hello, my name is Taylor Jeans, and today I'm going to speak to y'all about the importance of goal setting. Goal setting is very important in all aspects of life, in many job professions, and in the future. There are three types of goals that the book talks about: the process goal, which includes techniques or strategies; performance, which are the specific standards; and the outcome goal, which is the end result. As you can see in this flowchart, every goal feeds into the total outcome. Chapter 15 also talks about fostering the individual's goal commitment and goal support, which is very important in the goal setting process. Goal setting takes SMARTs, as the authors use. You must be specific, it must be measurable, obtainable, relevant, time-bound, and lastly, you must be self-determined. In my first article by Brewer, Pollock, and Wright, they spoke about the importance of letting parents help in goal-setting program. This was a literature review done by the group. The first case study was about a family-centered environment towards goal setting for children with cerebral palsy. When children with cerebral palsy were in a family-centered environment, the study found that they were more likely to make progress towards their goal. Research looked at the occupational therapy home program, which found that parents implemented the program 17.5 times per month on average, with a mean of 16.5 minutes per session. Family-based goal setting in sports is very important for children to be able to reach their goals in a timely manner. Parents are the key in goal setting in children. A case study by Reuter, Zingelman, Lippick, and Schwartzer found that an initial increase of self-regulation strategy and behavior after rehabilitation. The same study by Reuter, Zingelman, Lippick, and Schwartzer found that highly motivated people are the only ones likely to make long-term changes in goal setting. The researchers found that planning has to be addressed more explicitly during rehabilitation programs. If individuals have planned when, where, and how to exercise after discharge, they will be more likely to act upon that situation. However, many doctors do not sit down for an after plan after rehabilitation occurs. In sports, athletic trainers usually complete some type of physical therapy on athletes. They help monitor fitness levels throughout their sporting career. In addition, this makes athletes have more accountability for goal achievement. Chapter 15 in the book discusses designing a goal-setting system in 3 stages: preparation and planning, education and acquisition, implementation, and follow-up and evaluation. These are all very important parts of goal setting. In my future career as an orthopedic surgeon, I plan to take preparation and planning with my patients very seriously. I want to have a system set up where I can sit down and plan with my patients before every surgery and after every surgery. Educating my clients will be a #1 priority for me in the future. It is important to educate your clients so that they know how to goal set appropriately in the future to make their goals obtainable. Implementation is a very important part of this process. As an orthopedic surgeon, it is my job to make sure that my client is implementing all of their exercises in their rehab class. Goal follow-up and evaluation is a very important part of goal setting. It is important for an orthopedic surgeon to follow up with their client every chance that they get in order to make sure that the rehabilitation process is going as smoothly as possible. Goal setting is very important in every aspect of life. It can be used across many disciplines and in many occupations. It is important to apply goal setting in every form. Follow your dreams. It is easy to reach them by goal setting. Setting goals is the easiest way to motivate you to reach them. Like this child, it is important to see your influence. Lastly, these are my references. Thank you so much for listening to my presentation, and I hope you learned a lot about goal setting. My hope is that you take this home and apply it in your future career as well. Thank you again. Bye-bye.